do amino acids build proteins?
Great question. Peptides are short chains of amino acids linked together by peptide bonds. And, when many amino acids connect and fold, they form proteins that act like tiny machines inside cells. So, stay with me, because, once you see how folding works, proteins stop feeling complicated and start feeling logical.
That makes me wonder, how does this actually help someone learning science?
Number 1, understanding peptide bonds helps you predict how proteins are built and broken apart. Number 2, knowing levels of protein structure helps you solve MCAT questions about enzymes and mutations. Number 3, if you master structure early, you will recognize patterns in biology and medicine faster.
Okay, wait. If I could only remember one thing, what's the main idea I should remember?
1. Think of a protein like a long string of beads that twists into a three-dimensional sculpture. 2. The exact amino acid sequence determines how the chain folds and therefore, what the protein can do. 3. Structure determines function, and that rule appears again and again in biology.
Alright, this part always helps me. Can you show me how this works step by step?
Number 1, amino acids join through a dehydration reaction forming a peptide bond. Number 2, the linear chain forms alpha helices and beta sheets through hydrogen bonding. Number 3, side chain interactions cause the chain to fold into a stable three-dimensional shape.
Oh, now my brain is picturing it in real world. Where do I actually see this in real life or medicine?
1. Hemoglobin carries oxygen because its folded structure creates specific binding pockets. 2. If one amino acid changes, the folding can change and disease like sickle cell can occur. 3. Drug designers study protein structure so medicines can fit into proteins like keys into locks.
Okay, last thing. What's the quick trick to help me remember this forever?
Number 1, remember the phrase sequence shapes structure shapes function. Number 2, picture a flexible necklace twisting into a useful tool. Number 3, if you understand structure, you are thinking like a future physician already. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together. Don't miss the quiz episode. Brains remember better when they are tested.
See you in the next episode.